the appreciation of the cedi that we have seen recently. I think that one of the things that if you ask a simple question to the NDC to point out exactly what policy they have implemented that has resulted in the appreciation of the city, they cannot tell you one that has been implemented, not sort of talked about, but actually implemented. They cannot tell you one such policy. They only passed their budget in March. They've not even issued any contracts and paid for anything, pretty much. So you cannot ascribe what is happening.
Na se sie ya cedi koi na chese binum se atofo osen aya ade na atofo osen ayese. Na chese NDC ma abonten mekire ade potin omoye ye bi se gold board for gold o makoton na Dr. Bawumia aba abonten abeka se da bi. Enye no kreda. Michechi amugana for Oba Memory Nfi. Comment, like, and subscribe, mama. Next answer, share, mama. Medasi. NDC had no policy behind cedi gains. Next, Dr. Bawumia and Okasa. Na enche bia na chese cedi. Yenim se Omampenye Dada Kufuor mres na se 1:1. Na chese o America o Ghana o yenyina ya bo pepepe. Na eoma na kekamba 3 cedis. Na se NDC kone around 4 cedis or so. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Na your hand NPP for ebeje baton na chese yati $1 na edwane etimi koya kodu 20 cedis aden ebinim se Dr. Bawumia economic messiah adan economic chese mihuni amenfa nkompe mpobi na eja Ghana force o maimu ayedin na eja ye twi NPP esi inchen na se sie ya cedi koi na chese binum se atofo osen aya ade na atofo osen ayese na chese NDC ma abonten mekire ade potin omoye ye bi se gold board for gold o makoton na Dr. Bawumia aba abonten abeka se da bi enye no kreda na Dr. Bawumia kokasa aye ewo say Young Executive Forum London part of his thank you tour. If you are to ask the NDC to point out exactly what policy they have implemented that has resulted in the cedi appreciation, in the appreciation of the cedi, they cannot tell you one that has been implemented, not sort of talk about, but actually implemented. Dr. Bawumia ena sisi okay. Now the one kasa utie na asem na Ubehu ne all patchere. Na mesan to asu bi mo manjo say they only passed their budget in March. They've not even issued any contract and paid for anything pretty much.
People are paying attention to our reserves. That is one thing, which we have built to 30 tons. Secondly, you've mentioned that the US dollar itself is on the decline globally. And that has also strengthened. If you go to Zambia, for example, the kwacha has gained a lot of ground also because you have the US dollar declining in value because of what is happening in the US with all of that. So I think those are critical. And then there's the third element is that they are not spending. I mean, if you are managing an economy, you have to pay your bills. They are not paying IPPs, for example. This is why the doomsday is so acute. And they are not paying contractors. So when you are not spending, there's less pressure on your currency. So those are some of the reasons why you are seeing an appreciation of the currency.
Dollar na ebane de, mi ameti eminyake ba 5 cedis. Ene mkofa nema ba, nene nwani se nije mu skaka krebi metimi afa nema bebre. Dollar kodu 20 cedis a, me da mkofa nema. Nyeme nkwa na mididwa edwadifo bebre hono mate se ka dollar na ba danwa. Yo nkrofo bi wonso a, party $70 ne kosro mo pene aka se abanye tisu nso aba be kukuru dollar ne ko je se o ma we mu de say ya. Na omo say Dr. Bawumia se policy bi enu ono man this year. Me san to aso kan bi mo say So you cannot ascribe what is happening to the currency to a policy that they have implemented. There's no such policy that has been implemented that has had that impact yet. No, some purchase contractors who he for you to omka. Just say omo budget no kra na so 24 our economy kra ya locate sika bi amasa 24-hour economy no kra na just say na NDC for slogan e da o ma no 24-hour economy na say 133 say 331 say dwuma ba ko na say nipa miensa e na ebeye no ni nyina ya hu so e wo budget ni ama nkapcha wo afede e sore na say dollar na e cost dollar no sorti a ndisi for say omaje abombo say eyomodia Dr. Bawumia na eken omaje abombo you also an ebinum so beka say US ni China trade war ne na China say mo ni US in trade bim amanfo bebre so mo ni US in trade bim na say dollar no tia na etisan na say dollar no cry ye ni beba en ho so cry na say Zimbabwe 4 pounds no cry so wonfa so sen no enti Dr. Bawumia call Young Executive Forum na is wakwa akogina no ma o church mu say NDC for boa mo nyehu te atofo sen unyehu so ayehu abra beka na gold board na mo kan de NPP for start here say gold for food and gold for then nyina omo no mo start here ai na sisi ana mo nyehwe na dollar aba onyehwe na dollar aba fem a waje abobu say yo de ade ko deport ya waya dollar e ko fem a say yo de ano bra be chirichiri enti si ano omumna no muma me chirichiri mu ni enti a akoye sare say ba ohwe mu so na ada currencies ne ba fem but dent no maye how so you don't need to export to get gold, you need to export cocoa to get foreign exchange, timber oil you need to turn it abroad, but as for gold you just need to dig or pay for it with cedi. So it was much easier way to do it. Yo madam, I say Oba Memory. If you like, comment and subscribe.